Welcome back. We're going to look at one very important word in English, the. We're going to talk about where we use the and where we shouldn't use the. Before which, hi, I'm Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn it together English fluency program. With Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective. And we promise a whole new you in 6 months or less. So, when is the used and when should it not be used? Well, the is used to refer to one unique person, place, or thing. For example, I need to go to the bank to get the cash. What that means is that there's a specific bank that you're going to, it's not some random bank, and there's a specific cash, or it has come from a particular source. That amount of money is something that people are aware of, right? Maybe it's your salary or whatever it is, the money you need to pay your EMI with, whatever it is. The bank, the cash. It's talking about a specific thing. The librarian helped me pick a book. So it's not just some random librarian, it's someone that people are aware of. The librarian, a specific librarian. That said, you don't use the with specific things. For example, you don't use the with the name of people. For example, the Mr. Smith is my boss is incorrect. Mr. Smith is my boss is correct. The same applies to name of companies as well. Before we go into the next few rules, a quick word about Capshine. Capshine helps you become more confident and more skilled as a user of English by giving you speaking opportunities. You get to learn and practice as a group. You get monthly fluency trackers, a personal coach, customized feedback, and of course access to daily micro lessons and live classes. All of this help make you a much better user of the English language. I'll talk more about how to check this out and use your 30-day free trial at the end of the video. Coming back, here are some rules about when you should use the when it pertains to names of people or places. For example, don't use the with the acronym of organizations. My uncle works at the NASA. This is incorrect. The right word or the right usage is my uncle works at NASA because it's an acronym. Right? The same applies to companies as well. You wouldn't say I work at the Capshine. I would say I work at Capshine. Use the with names of mountain ranges. So for example, the Himalayas, you would use the Himalayas. This is true also for rivers and other geographical features. Rocky Mountains are covered with snow versus the Rocky Mountains are covered with snow. Which is correct? The Rocky Mountains are covered with snow because it's a mountain range. Use the with sun and the names of galaxies. So while you may not use the with the names of people and other planets like the Mercury, you would use it with sun and the name of galaxies. For example, sun will rise at 5:30 in the morning. No, the sun will rise at 5:30 in the morning. Also, the Milky Way is the biggest or the closest to us, right? So this has to be the sun will rise in the morning. Let's try putting it all together. Let's see if you can understand when to use the appropriately. Mr. Sanjay has started his journey to Himalayas. We know that the names of mountain ranges should have the before them. So the right usage is Mr. Sanjay has started his journey to the Himalayas. I work at Capshine. I love environment there. While I should not put a the before the name of the company, I should specify the environment, right? I'm not talking about environment in general. I'm talking about the environment in this company. Therefore, I work at Capshine. I love the environment there. Can you see moon now? Well, for moon, you have to talk about the specific moon because almost every planet has a moon. Which moon are we talking about? Well, we're talking about the moon that Earth has. So we say, can you see the moon now? We're talking about the specific moon that belongs to us. I hope that makes sense and you liked the video. If you did, click on the like button, and subscribe. Of course, do not forget to hit the bell notification to not miss updates from us. To check out your 30-day free trial, go to capshine.com or download the app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.